Welcome back. I'm Jill with carefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite recipe for chicken drumsticks. These are super easy to make and they're really inexpensive. They're perfect for football food, parties, or any kind of family gathering. All right, before I get started here, I'm just going to preheat my oven to about 400 degrees. Okay, so I have my drumsticks here and I'm just going to salt and pepper each one of them. Okay, and now I'm going to put these in a preheated 400 degree oven for about 45 minutes. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing buffalo sauce. Okay, it's kind of like a sweet and spicy syrup. So I have 1 cup of brown sugar. All right, and then we have about 1 cup of Frank sauce. And this is just the regular classic Frank sauce. Okay, we're gonna cook this on medium-high heat and just whisk it up a little bit. We're gonna bring it to boil and let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes. And this will dissolve all of the brown sugar and make a really yummy sauce. Okay, the syrup will go from that bright red to this deep kind of a dark golden red color, and that is just exactly what we want. So all of the brown sugar has dissolved and it's made kind of a syrup. Now we can just let this cool for about 30 minutes and then we'll add them to the drumsticks. Okay, here is the sauce for our buffalo drumsticks. It's really nice and thick and rich. Okay, and when your drumsticks have been cooking for about 30 minutes, so it has probably 10 minutes or so left, you're going to take them out and flip them over. This will ensure that they are crispy all the way around, and as you can see, they're already becoming golden brown on the bottom. And then I'm just going to dip my sauce in here and cover the bottom with the buffalo sauce. Okay, and now we're going to put those back into the oven for about 5 minutes while this kind of glazes up around the chicken. And then after it's cooked for about 5 minutes, we're going to turn the chicken back over. And we want to be pretty liberal with this glaze here. I'll just pour that on. Okay, and then use your brush to make sure it's all coated. Now we're going to put this back into the oven for about 5 more minutes, and it's going to glaze up even more, and then we'll have these really amazing sticky buffalo chicken drumsticks ready. Okay, so the thing that you want to check with your chicken drumsticks is that you have an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees. That will ensure your chicken is fully cooked. All right, here are my buffalo chicken drumsticks. They're saucy and tender and juicy and crispy on the outside, and the perfect addition to any football party or family gathering. It's a super fast and easy meal the entire family will love. It's inexpensive and such a crowd pleaser. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, follow me here, and share it with a friend, and I'll show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.